Hey guys, so before we start this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the notifications so you never miss a new video. What are you doing?
Hey, what up?
Oh boy. Hi. Are you dressed up like your dad today?
I'm my dad today. I took his hoodie, took his hat, and took his boots.
Okay.
Yeah. Karen's not here today.
So you're just
Come on, man. Let's get into this.
Acting like your dad. Come on, man. All right, so we are going to be cutting open.
Oh, I forgot my tool. Hold on. You talk. I'll get it.
So we are going to be cutting open this creepy clown, which haunted my nightmares in my childhood.
Where's my tools, man?
Oh.
All right.
Maybe just scissors will work. Huh?
Hey, man.
What?
Do this. Other way.
Okay, he definitely doesn't do that either.
Okay. So I'm going to improvise because improvising is my middle name.
Okay.
If you just tear apart the seam one by one, we can get it done in no time.
5 hours later.
So I eat all my daughter's Halloween candy.
You ate all your daughter's Halloween candy? Okay, now you sound like your dad. Which one was your favorite?
I like the Kit Kats, the ones that she really likes.
And the Snickers? He likes Snickers a lot too.
I only eat Kit Kats because she tells me not to.
Listen, Kit Kats are amazing. You didn't eat all
And
the
of course,
mounds, though.
now that she doesn't like the Reese's, that's when I don't like them too. So I eat all of the candy that she likes.
You don't like Reese's?
No.
What? Are you crazy, girl? Or boy?
Perfect. Man, how hot is it in here? It's 72? It's actually really hot in here.
It's not that hot in the air.
Oh, come on, turn all the lights off.
We need lights.
Oh, come on, that light's still on.
And when your dad watches this, he's gonna be like, "Come on, man, I don't act like that."
Does he watch us?
And I don't know.
I don't know. We used to show him this video though.
Okay.
Or no. Pretend I'm right here, okay? Pretend I'm right here, okay? This is my house. This is my house too. Is that good?
Yeah, I know exactly what you're doing.
Yeah, so whenever we film, he has to come in and do some stuff with the dishes.
Usually, or when you're sleeping, when you're trying to sleep.
Or when I'm trying to sleep, he's like, or with the microwave, slam it shut.
Yeah.
Sorry, Dad, we love you. Sorry, Dad. Not sorry, this is funny.
Is there anything inside of there? What is, huh?
We got a jump rope.
Well, your dad definitely doesn't jump rope.
Well, he's going to right now. Okay, watch me.
I'm watching.
Okay, I don't know which way to... Come on, these shoes are so heavy. They're so hard with the shoes. Oh, my hat, man.
You're not really supposed to jump rope in boots that are 3 sizes too big, 5 sizes too big.
These are not 5 sizes too big.
They're very big.
My toes are only right
there better
here.
not be any chicken poop on those.
No.
Okay. Okay.
He keeps his shoes relatively clean. Except when you just clean the floors.
Yeah. Okay, is there anything else in there?
There's Stickers?
Huh? Whoa, those are really old. Stinky stickers.
I think I have some fleas. Ooh.
These are my childhood. Wait, you have to
Ew.
open them up and smell them.
Ew, no, I can smell them from here.
No, you can't.
Yeah, I can.
I can't smell it.
Smell the ham one.
You have to scratch it. Ooh, that kind of, okay, that does smell like ham. Oh, these are like super old. Just like the clown. They're from the 80s. Ham it up. I used to love those when I was little. You have to scratch it first and then sniff.
I can already smell it.
But scratch it, then you get more smell. What does it smell like? Does it smell like grass?
No.
What does it smell like?
Gross. I don't want this stuff in my house.
That's not what he sounds like. Ooh. Okay, that does smell like grass. Now you have to test all of them.
Ew.
Which one is that?
Taco.
Taco. Taco Tuesday. I can almost imagine the smell in my brain. Because I used to love these when I was little. Really? It smells like beef. Spicy beef.
Oh.
It smells like taco seasoning.
I don't think I want. I can already smell the ham one. I'm not doing the ham one.
What is that one?
Ham.
Spaghetti. It smells like a meatball, I bet. It smells like meat. If I remember correctly. Does it smell like spaghetti?
I don't know what the heck it smells like. I don't know what it smells
You love spaghetti. Does it smell like spaghetti?
I don't love spaghetti.
It smells like the seasoning, like spaghetti seasoning.
It smells like taco seasoning.
It kind of smells very similar to the taco one.
Yeah. I got some red heart glasses. Do you think my dad would wear these?
No. Beautiful. Anything else?
Yeah, there's like 2 things left in here.
What is that?
Doorables.
Oh, now you're looking at your
Academy.
dad.
Academy.
Adorable.
Oh, wait! Give me a second.
She's back.
What?
With his magnifying glasses. The readers.
Doorables Academy. Locker, Academy figure, and accessories. We got Aladdin, Alice, Ariel, Elsa, Jasmine, Mirabelle, Mickey Mouse, May from Turning Red. We got Minnie Mouse, Olaf, Winnie the Pooh, Snow White, Stitch, Tinkerbell, and Vanellope.
Why don't you open it up and see? Who do you think you'll get? You should take those glasses off too.
No, I shouldn't.
You should.
I can see fine. I just read all those characters.
Who do you think you're gonna get? Wait, will you do a
Stitch.
happy dance if you get Stitch?
Maybe. I want either Stitch or these are also cute. I don't know. I'll do Alice.
Stitch or Alice?
You can look too.
You want me to do it?
No. You have to look at the
Oh,
back.
okay. So Stitch or Alice for you. Tinkerbell or Snow White, I get
There's
it.
Tinkerbell?
Yeah.
Oh.
So Tinker.
I want Tinkerbell.
I claimed it first. You claimed Stitch and... Tinkerbell!
But I get it because I was looking for this.
Is it Tinkerbell?
Yeah. We got a key. Little wings,
Aww. That open the locker.
maybe. I don't know how to, okay. And we got some stuff. We got a little book. We got a table. We have, I don't know what that is. Oh, it's a lamp maybe. And we got string.
You didn't get Tinkerbell though.
Please be patient.
Now you sound like you did.
We got, there's no love put into this. Yeah, now I feel like my dad. Oh, and there's stickers.
Cute. Very nice. So is there anything else in there? Oh, that's creepy.
Here you go.
No, thank you.
Okay, guys. Well, we hope you liked this video. I have to get back to preparing this guy. Okay, guys, we hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure you give us a thumbs up, subscribe. Bye. Come on, man. This isn't working.